Looking for a business credit card that actually rewards your travel? Most people get this wrong, but here's why the CDA Advantage Business World Elite MasterCard deserves a closer look. This card is designed for small business owners who frequently fly with American Airlines. One of the biggest benefits is the generous welcome bonus, often tens of thousands of miles after meeting minimum spending requirements. That alone can cover a round-trip domestic flight or even a portion of an international trip. The card earns 2 miles per dollar on American Airlines purchases and at telecom, cable, and gas providers, while other purchases earn 1 mile per dollar. Most people underestimate the value of miles for business expenses, but with careful planning, you can effectively offset flights and upgrades. Other perks include no foreign transaction fees, first check bag free on American Airlines flights, priority boarding, and access to the American Airlines Admirals Club at a discounted rate. The annual fee is competitive for the level of benefits, especially if you travel often. The surprising truth is how easy it is to use the reward strategically. Business expenses like office supplies, internet, and client travel can all earn miles. Redeeming them for flights, seat upgrades, or hotel packages maximizes the return on your spending. However, it's not ideal for businesses that rarely fly American Airlines or want flexible redemption options beyond travel. Also, carrying a balance can quickly offset any rewards due to interest charges. In conclusion, if your business travels regularly with American Airlines, the CDA Advantage Business World Elite MasterCard is a strong choice. The miles, perks, and travel benefits can make a real difference. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and business finance tips.